Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple omelet. First, gather your ingredients, 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you desire. A non-stick pan, roughly 8 inches in diameter, is ideal for cooking. Also, ensure you have a good spatula on hand for folding. These basic preparations will set you up for success in creating a delicious, fluffy omelet. Next, crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are completely blended, creating a uniform yellow mixture. Season the eggs with a small pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for flavor. Then, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your 8-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it coats the entire bottom surface. Now, pour the whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan to allow any uncooked liquid egg to flow underneath. Once the top is mostly set but still a little moist, add your favorite fillings, such as cheese or finely chopped vegetables, onto 1/2. Finally, with your spatula, carefully fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the half with your delicious fillings. Let it cook for just another 30 seconds to ensure everything is warmed through and the cheese is melted. Then, gently slide your perfectly cooked, fluffy omelet onto a plate. Serve immediately and enjoy your simple, homemade meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.